Nikki G. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle videos. So today's video, I just wanted to tell you guys why I chopped my hair off and what products I've been using to make it grow a lot faster. I'm just gonna keep it really short. Basically, this is what happened. I wanted to go dirty blonde. I actually wanted to go like Jennifer Aniston and Friends, like that type of dirty blonde, and that's what I asked for. Now, I went to the hair salon that my friend recommended, and she was the owner, the one who did my hair, and I showed her the picture, and I told her if you can't get to that point, it's okay. Just somewhere similar, at least getting close to that point, because I know once you have like box hair dye in your hair that it's hard to take out, or you need different sessions. So I let her know when I dyed. It was back in July, so it's been like 4 or 5 months since the dye's been in my hair. So I told her all of that, and she's like, okay, like, you know, she can do it, whatever. So I was there for 5 hours, and she cut my hair. My hair was like down to my chest area, and then I asked just for a little bit shorter, and then she went all the way down to here. Right there, she messed up. I'm like, okay, whatever. Maybe she just cut off, you know, all the dead hair or whatever. And then, yeah, we were just bleaching my hair for a very long time, and towards the end, it was just bleach hair. Like, she even toned it and everything, but it just looked like yellow bleach. I just didn't like it. In my intro, you can actually see the last video. That's how my hair looked. Every single day that passed by, I started getting more annoyed with my hair, and then it came down to my birthday, and I'm just like, yeah, I'm chopping this off. I had like a breakdown, so I cut my own hair off. I went to the store CVS real quick and bought a box dye hair, but this time I didn't go black. I used brown. And then I made an appointment for the next day to go to a different hairstylist, so she can fix up the way I cut my hair off. And that's what she did. So I'm just put a picture right here on how my hair looked before. And then after, I went to get it fixed again. And I got my hair cut in November. And now I'm gonna show like after 1 month on how it looked. So this is how it looks like after a month of it growing. And now the next picture, I'm gonna show how it's been after 2 months. Now, once the 1 month passed, I'm like, okay, I need something to make my hair grow faster, because I just don't want it to take too long. So I saw online this hairgrowcompany.com. So it has 10 oils in one. It has sheep powder, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, castor oil, lavender oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, macadamia oil, grapeseed oil, and argan oil, all in one. And each bottle is like $10, and it's like a subscription, so I'm subscribed to it. So each month they charge me like $19, and I get 2 of these. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to use 2 bottles within the month, but I think that's a lot of oil in my hair. So far I've seen I've only used 1 bottle a month. But yeah, and it doesn't smell bad at all. It smells like peppermint. So that's what I've been using. I'm gonna leave in the description bar the link to this, because I really love it. I use it every single day, especially right now that I have braids in, so you can't really see my hair. But I have braids in, and I just put it on my scalp every single day in the morning that I can remember. I've been doing it almost every single day. So yeah, that's the reason why I chopped my hair off. I had a really bad experience going dirty blonde, and yeah, so I just want to show you guys what I've been using. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.